Hi there, I am Suleiman and I am the developer of this app, and in this video I will show you how it works and what the main features are. If you have any questions after watching this video, just let me know. You can use the in-app chat or you can send me an email. So let's get started. After app installation you need to select a plan. In this video I will use the free plan because it will give me 15 book imports for free. So let's use that. Select. Approve the charge, and then it will send us to the home of the app where we can start importing books. So I will use this website to grab an ISBN number and enter it here. You can also go to Amazon and find an ISBN number of a book you want to import, but this is a quick and easy solution. So now I will click on Find Book. It will gather all the information. It will get the cover. Here I can create the book or I can adjust the information. I like it how it is, so I will click on Create Product, and it will create the product, or the product in our store of this book. Give it a second. Alright, it's done, and we can show the book in Shopify, where we'll see that the title is there, the description is populated, the image is here, these tags are created. This is all optional and you could disable this. The vendor is set and the type is also set. The price was available, so it's also set here, and these are the meta fields we can use for our storefront. That brings me to the storefront display, because this is where we can display our book information in our store. It's nice to have this data, but it is nicer if we could use this data in our store. So let me grab the title of the book. So we have an example to work with. Like this. Okay, yeah. Normally the app, the theme block is not installed, so I will just remove this and start fresh. So this is how it will look like in your store probably, and there you can select where you want to enable the app block. So I clicked on Add Section and I picked Apps, and I will click on Book Importer Details, and this will then give me something like this with the settings on the right side over here. Let me just quickly save this, and if I hover away you'll see how it looks, and you can change this to fit the style of your store. So you can do a table like layout, you can have rows. I think I like table in this case, and here you can also you can link the vendor to go to the page in your store. I think that is really handy, so the user can click on it and then go to the store page. And here on the right side you can play with the settings. So let's put it on the left and give it a bit of shadow like this, and then save it. If you then go to the front end and view it, decent. It looks nice. You can style it however you like, and there's also a few settings available. Storefront display, where you can see how it looks, and you can also translate it, so it will have a different title into different languages if you have a multi-language store. You can also disable and enable fields if you don't want to show them in your storefronts. Alright, let's go back to the book imports, where we can go to history to find all our previous imports like this. We click on details to see what is imported. You can also import in bulk. It works the same, but then you can use the import multiple ISBNs button, which you can find here, and then you can enter an ISBN per line, and then it will do it in batches and it will import it all at once. Alright, that's that. There's also a POS scanner function, and I will make a separate video about that. But with this function, you can use your iPhone or your phone with the POS app enabled or installed, and then scan a book ISBN, and then it will create it in your products in your store. Very, very handy and a big time saver. This is probably one of my favorite features of this app. So I will make a special video about this feature. Let me show you how to use the POS app from Shopify. First, you need to make sure that the tiles are added. You can see them on my screen. I got the ISBN book importer and I got the book scanner. If you don't have them, you can simply add them by clicking on Add Tile and then App. First add the UI extension and then add the website. Once they are added, you can scan a book by clicking on the book scanner tile and then open camera and point the camera to the ISBN code. And once it's found the results, you can click on import the book. It will take a few seconds and then it is imported, and you can click back to your home screen and then on the ISBN book importer. This is the name of the app. It will bring you to the app in your store, and then you can scroll down and you will see here that this book is imported. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions about the app, just let me know, and I'm happy to help. And thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.